Architecture and technology always touch on something new in every project. It's always easier to work with people you know. We have a wide variety of security requirements in different areas.
Burglar, bullet and blast resistance, and fire protection. When it comes to designing, planning and constructing buildings, security requirements are constantly increasing. Schüco has been designing and developing more security in this area for decades. Hundreds of tests in independent institutes form the basis for complex aluminium security systems.
The main requirement of clients and users was to create a building that was as transparent as possible. The non-regulated building products such as fire doors, smoke doors and fire-resistant glazing must all have a valid proof of usability. In principle, I recommend holding a preliminary vote before submitting the building application to ensure that at the end of the day, it can be built in the same way as it is designed.
At Schüco, multifunctional solutions are system-based. Fittings are individually adapted through to the required user comfort and design.
We try not to understand technology as a restriction, but as a supporting element that helps us in the design. Integrating fire protection is a huge challenge. This is because each country has its own very particular regulations, which are often very complex. As architects, we also use a great deal of German expertise. And of course, we take a little bit of this with us to projects which we design and build in Asia or other parts of the world. It's naturally important for the client that standards are fulfilled, as in the end, they want a building that meets their expectations from an architectural and design point of view. However, they also want buildings to meet all requirements in terms of security and fire protection.
Building technology as an integrated system. Security you can't see. For doors, windows and facades.
It's the entire concept that fits with Schüco. Pre-consultation, information for the architects. It is therefore a continuous solution. It includes dimensioning, sound reduction, burglar resistance, access control, and emergency exit control. The approval clearly regulates which requirements have to be fulfilled. It is imperative that employees are trained in accordance with the approval. After all, nowadays it's a very complex issue and requirements are very high and can only be met with very specific systems, and this includes Schüco.
Working together. Expertise for secure implementation in practice. Schüco supplies everything from a single source.